That I think that's a little hotter.
Right? You got a pyro park and
He had real trouble in it. I can even feel you can see his face.
There you go, bud! There you go! Good hit! Woo! Way to go, Bats!
Or I can bring it to
John said.
yeah, we'll take the grill tank.
I'll have to call it Monday.
Or I can bring it to
There you go, Sammy.
come on, Dylan.